In this video, I will let you know how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. Okay, let's see the first question. This is our solution. We're having the first question. X squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So how can we find the question using factorization method? Okay, to calculate this question using factorization method, we have to multiply the first and the last, which is x squared times 6. We're having 6x squared. We're having 6x squared, and we have to find the multiple of 6. The multiple of 6x squared, 1 is a multiple, 2 is a multiple, 3 is a multiple, and 6 itself is also a multiple. And also minus 1, also minus 2, also minus 3, and also minus 6 is also a multiple. Okay, what number can we add it between this multiple to give us negative x, and what number can we multiply to give us 6x squared? Okay, let's see. If we are to add minus 2 minus 3, I think we're gonna get negative 5x. Yeah, it's real. Okay, let's say that we have an x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, we have our numbers. Okay, let's factorize x because we are dealing with factorization, quadratic equation using the factorization method. Okay, let's see, we have x into x minus 2. We just factorize the x. We're having x into x minus 2, and we're having negative 3, and we put our 3 down. And mind you, whatever you are getting in the first bracket must be the same as the second bracket. We are having x minus 2 into 6. We are getting, 3 into 6. We are getting 2. The same with this bracket. We are getting 2 is equals to 0. According to the factorization method, we are just to carry because the brackets have the same value, so we are to carry the first value, and we have to carry the value that are outside, x minus 3, and which is equals to 0. So therefore x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, let's say x minus 2 equals to 0, and the 2 will cause the equal sign, and x is equals to 2. And for the other one, x minus 3 is equals to 0. When the 3 cross the equal sign, it will become positive. It will become x is equals to 3. So, therefore, the answer we're having, x is equals to 2, or x is equals to 3. Okay, that's for all for the first question under quadratic equation factorization.